Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Brittany. Today I'm going to be doing cat eye slash wing liner slash I don't know. I don't even know what else you would slash it with. Slash. I have no idea. Oh my god, what is wrong with me? Anyway, so today I'm going to be using the Kat Von D liner and the Phycians formula liner. $21, $11. I'll show you how I do this. I probably don't do this the way as most people do it. I have to use two hands. That's just the way I like to do it. I will say when you are doing it with two hands, because I do pull my eye up, do it very lightly, because if you pull and stretch your eye, you'll end up having it be a totally different shape when you let go. So just kind of open your eye, let go, and it takes practice for sure. And you'll get better. Practice makes almost perfect. So you guys watch this and learn. Okay, so this is where things get tricky, because you have to try to make this one the same as this one, but remember, they are not twins, they are sisters, okay? Just like your eyebrows, same thing as your wings, okay? I also want to apologize for my head being not in view of the camera. I was trying to get as close as I could to my lens so you guys could see exactly what I was doing, but I seen on the first line you can't really see where I go in with my wing, but you could see it much better on this eye. I do the same exact thing. I sweep it up towards my brow, and then I bring it back in towards the eye.